Wondering if it's the right vehicle. This is the vehicle I am. It's a C-type 3-door. Let's get closer. So the first thing you need to do is need to open up the boot. And you have 4 of these little fellas in here that need to come out first. You'll notice from if I hold this up close, you'll notice that's got a star type bolt on it, so you need to get a specialist piece to take that out. That's the start of the fun. Right, you need to take this piece out here. There's a little plastic piece out from here. There's 2 bolts and a little screw type piece that needs to come out here. That's the screw. I'm going to go in here now to try and take out this bolt down here. If you're asking if this would be easier with the wheel off, yes it would. You can do it with one of these and one of these to get this one out of it here. We're just going to see how that goes. Trying to get that bolt out, this piece just comes out, it's so easier with the thing gone. And you can see now, you can see the very bottom of the fog light and a little wire coming out here as well. Get this actual bit off, so I'm going to come inside here. And you just see these, there's a series of these screws here. I just have to take a couple of these off. And then that'll come off. Taking out the first 2 of the nuts here, they really weren't very happy about it. I'm now going to manage to yank this loose a little bit, so we're going to see if we can get the whole thing off now. And once you've done that and you've got these other bolts out, just lift it loose, and you just need it to lift loose that much. You've done this actual main unit actually just pulls away fairly easy. I just did it a second ago. So now you can see what we've got here. This bit is kind of loose. This is the bit we've got to fit back in. To replace the fog light, all you need to do now is twist this towards you, and then it kind of lifts out like that, and you change that and then go into reverse. Now there's this additional piece we need to take out to replace this whole unit. You see it's pretty flimsy. Use one of these type head screwdrivers, 6-piece, just to get in there and take that bit out. And just do a come away like that. Okay, so now the reverse, so we just slot this back in here, screw this in here, pop the light back in, and now we're just going to try and insert this back in where it came from by popping it in here. And now when I took this piece out, it came away very easily, but it appears to have broken a few of these little spike things here, which is what it sat on. So I'm just going to put a bit of glue now on these just to hold it, gives us a bit of extra stick. It'll be pinned in by the bumper anyway, but just to give it a bit of extra stick. So I've gone that, stuck it back in there, and now we're just going to reassemble. We're going to stick the bumper back into place like this. Fix this back into place, and then we now snap these bits in. We've kind of flicked these bits on the inside. We're now just going to put these bolts back in. Need to get this piece back in. We've got 2 screws here, one here. That just helps it align. Just kind of tuck it back in under this bit here. So these ones here with the kind of hex head need to go into this spot here, and then the little bolts are going to go up on the top there. And now we've just got to put the wheel back on, and you're done. Thanks for watching. Please like and let me know if this was helpful. Bye.